Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy to have you here today. Today is a very exciting video. You don't want to miss it. So today's video is very exciting. It's a sponsored video. What? Yeah, it's a sponsored video. It's sponsored by OphireCo. OphireCo is a wonderful ergonomic hook company. They are handmade hooks. They are beautiful, as you can see. And they really do help people who have hand issues, arthritis, nerve pain, muscle pain, whatever kind of hand pain you have. I highly recommend these ergonomic hooks. Also, they do help with your tension control. And say you don't have hand or elbow or those kind of issues yet, they're also good for preventative measures. If you already start using an ergonomic hook, especially when you're a beginner, you can prevent those issues later on in life. Wish I'd done that. Oh well. But yes, OphireCo is sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much. Sorry, this is very exciting for me. I am an affiliate with OphireCo. If you use my affiliate link, it does help me and it benefits the channel just a little bit. So if you would be so kind to use my link if you're going to shop there, I would appreciate it. Even if you're just going to check them out, I also get credit for when people just tap my link. So they are inline, and if you're used to tapered, they can take a little getting used to, but I highly recommend switching because, yeah, these are great. These pointy heads are one of my favorite features of an Ophire hook. Oh, so great. If you want to know everything about the Ophire hook company, I made an entire video covering everything I could possibly tell you about OphireCo. I will link it down below and at the end of this video. And if you want to know what I would get my top 5 favorite things from their website, I made a video about that too. I will link that down below and at the end of the video, just in case you're interested. Highly recommend. There is a really fun part of this video because this video is a secret giveaway. OphireCo is sponsoring a giveaway for one of you to win an amazing prize. I will talk about that in just a moment. I just have to have a quick little note. Please do not use the word giveaway anywhere in the comments. That brings on scammers and people who are just out to attack you, and it messes up the algorithm. So do not use the word giveaway anywhere in the comments. If you do, I have to delete your comment. You will be disqualified from winning, and I'm very sorry about that. But that's what we got to do. That is also why giveaway is not mentioned anywhere in my title or in my description box. So please be respectful. Do not use the word giveaway. Okay, what can you win? Not 1, not 2, 3, that's right, 3 Ophire hooks in your size and your choice of color, depending on what's available, of course. They will ship worldwide. That's right, this is open to everyone. What do you have to do to win? Really easy. Ophire recently started their own YouTube channel, which they have several shorts on and I think a couple of videos, and they would like people to head on over there and subscribe to their channel. I highly recommend that because that's part of how you can win. Go over there, subscribe to their channel. It will be linked down below. You have to be subscribed to my channel as well because I am the host. And use the word May in the comments down below. Now, I would love it if you guys would be creative with your comments on how you use the word May, because that makes it more fun, and I will read the winning comment out loud, so you might want to make it creative. Unfortunately for this video, I will not be responding to comments. I will just heart it to let you know that I saw it, but I read every single comment, you guys, okay? I promise. I read every single comment. So every time you guys leave a comment, I read it and I try to respond, but I can't respond in this video. But I will heart it. Now the giveaway runs from today, right now, soon as you saw this video, till the 7th of May. So it's not a very long time to enter, so better hurry. So on the 8th of May, I will be back here and I will choose a winner using YouTube's random comment picker. So better have the word May somewhere in your comment or it will filter you out. Oof. So don't use the word giveaway, do use the word May, and go follow OphireCo's YouTube channel and mine. That's all you gotta do. How easy is that? And what a fun prize, you guys. Look at this. 3 of these gorgeous beauties. Look at that. They really are phenomenal hooks. There's a reason I talk about them so much. Yes, I'm an affiliate, but I highly recommend them. I would not be an affiliate to anything I didn't believe in. This is a great company. Ashley is the founder. She created these babies and she's a genius. These are phenomenal. If you've never tried an OphireCo hook, I highly, highly recommend them. That's why I got so many videos on my channel about them. But also, enter the giveaway. Maybe you've always wanted to try one. This is a great chance. So that's it. That's my video today. I'm so excited for you guys, and I can't believe I'm sponsored. So exciting. But I am so excited for you guys. This is really wonderful. This is a great opportunity for any of you. If you've ever wanted to try one of these hooks, you could win one. So try it. Well, actually, you could win 3. Everybody's got a fair chance. Random comment picker truly is random. Just make sure you use the word May, otherwise it will filter you out. And remember, do not say the word giveaway anywhere in the comments. I will delete the comment. You will be disqualified. That's just the way it goes. We have to keep this community safe for everyone. Please join the private Facebook group down below. I don't have memberships on my channel yet, but I do have a private Facebook group, which is kind of like what you would get with memberships, but it's free. So you're welcome. I have free patterns up there all the time. I let people vote. I give you guys updates. I let you know about the sales before I tell anybody else. It's a really good time over there. Plus we have a group chat and that's really fun too. Real quickly, come back Friday because I am live with Teresa at Critters Crochet and we will be talking about our new collaboration. You don't want to miss this because you can join too. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies, you can stitch it up too. Bye!